What if you own a property jointly with your spouse? The primary applicant should own the property worth 2 million dirhams. Then he or she can sponsor the spouse. If both want to apply for the golden visa separately, then their individual shares need to be more than 2 million each. Another question I get, which could be on your mind as well, how long do you need to hold on to the property to keep the visa valid? So, guys, if you sell the property you have used for the golden visa, it must be cancelled unless you own another eligible property of 2 million dirhams value or the differential to that extent. So, essentially, the qualifying investment of 2 million dirhams must be maintained to keep the visa valid. Okay. So, let's assume you have found your 2 million dirhams property and it meets all the criteria we discussed. What's the actual journey to getting that golden visa in your hands? It generally unfolds in two main stages involving different government bodies, and it's important for you to understand this. First up, your key destination as a property investor in Dubai is the Dubai Land Department. So the DLD is central because they are the guardians of all property records and regulations here in Dubai. Now, DLD is responsible for assessment and certification of your property's eligibility, and that is the absolute foundation for your application. The DLD handles the initial nomination or certification for the golden visa based on your property. You will need to provide the documents like your passport, the title deed, or if it's an off-plan property, that Okut certificate and statement of account, a personal photo, and your Emirates ID if you are already a resident here. And if you are not, then your passport copy. And as we discussed for mortgage properties, that bank NOC is crucial, and for off-plan, it is the developer NOC and proof of payments along with the OKU that are key. I'm just repeating all of this so that you are clear. Typically, the DLD fee at this stage would be about 4,000 dirhams. Since the fee might be updated anytime, I will strongly advise check the DLD's official site for the latest. DLD has dedicated service centers like the Golden Visas service at Al Marara Center, and which is also called the Cube, or at the Dubai World Trade Center. Even after watching this video, you may still have some queries. I'll leave the email ID that you can use to write them in email. Usually, they are quite prompt with their response. I will urge if you still have any confusion, please write to them on email and we'll get a prompt response. Just remember that you need to remain within the UAE during the approval process, along with the dependents included in the application, until your residency is approved and the Emirates ID is issued. Once the DLD gives its approval or nomination, what's the next for the actual visa issuance? This is where the General Directorate of Residency and Foreign Affairs GDRFA Dubai or the Federal Authority for Identity and Citizenship ICP step in. Now, after the DLD has done its part, your application moves to GDRFA for a Dubai issued visa. The documents you will generally need here include your passport copy and, crucially, proof of that qualifying property ownership, which would typically be the letter or certificate issued by the DLD. You will also need to undergo a medical examination and apply for an Emirates ID. Both the DLD and GDRFA have online portals for applications, which is quite convenient and aligns with Dubai's smart government initiatives. As of May 2025, the consolidated cost under various heads comes to nearly 10,000 dirhams, which is reasonable given that the visa is valid for 10 years and not that you have to renew a normal visa for every 2 years. As always, the fee can change, so direct confirmation is your best bet. I am repeating that. How long does this whole process usually take from the DLD stage right through to getting the Emirates ID? The DLD estimates it's part of the Golden Visa service as taking about 7 to 10 business days. The GDRFA suggests their processing time for issuing the investor golden residence permit can be around 48 hours once all the documents are in order and that DLD nomination has been received. My advice will be that on the safe side, provision for 3 weeks, just in case they seek any clarifications, which can lead to minor delays.